Alright guys, little update. Pushed the car inside last night, got it on wheel dollies and started trying to clean. In terms of getting the fire extinguisher material out, really hard with my big vacuum, but I decided I'm going to pull the seats out. But in order to do that, they are power seats, so I need to hook up electricity, get a battery going so I can move the seats around and actually get them out. This was sort of my first pass, this clean spot with a first pass with a vacuum. So I think most of this stuff will come out. Got the shift knob off, and I did clean up that steering wheel. That thing's mint. So that's exciting. Here we got battery harness, ABS harness from a 93 S4 out of the junkyard. And currently, well, let me get you a light. I am marking connections that are messed up. So here, I marked this because I need to patch it in, but this guy right here is for the heated seat. This guy, wheel speed sensor, another heated seat connection there. Got a vacuum line for locks or something. The other side of it's marked right here. Still filthy, guys. I just want to remove the seats fully and then really get to cleaning this. But anyways, this connection here is also wheel speed sensor, and so we have the new positive terminal connection here, and basically cutting to length and gonna solder that in. This guy here solders to here, and this big guy replaces that. So should be good to give it power after that and then take the seats out. So we will see. Guess I'll upload the next clip when we're ready. Alright guys, project update. So patched in that big positive battery cable. This guy's good to go, soldered, 2 layers of heat shrink. This guy's good to go, soldered, 2 layers of heat shrink. Got that loom and some extra tape, and I'll clean that all up. This guy is soldered, but I still just don't trust it. Heat shrink, for the amount of heat that was required to run through this cable to actually get the solder to flow, the heat shrink ended up prematurely shrinking, and that was as far back as I could get it. So yeah, probably go in with crimps on this guy, like take the yellow tape off, go in with crimps, re-solder it after I crimp it, and then find some insulation that will work out. But that was enough to successfully plug in the battery tender and got this thing power. So I have it unplugged right now. However, moved both seats back. Seat motors work. So I will spend the next while here plugging in the tender when I need to, just to give it a little power. I'd rather have a full battery in there. I have not tried to turn it over yet, even though it is full of oil. I just want to get the interior apart and then clean out everything here, readdress some wiring things. The connections left are 2 vacuum lines and 2 wheel speed sensor wires. So we'll get those sorted out. I kind of already know where everything goes and have it labeled with that blue tape, but I'm just going to double check before I actually solder anything together. But yeah, I mean, good progress. It takes power. No issues with that. Let's get these seats out and start really cleaning this thing so I can finish up wiring, put seats back in. While seats are out, I'm probably going to address these little saggy cargo holder areas. I think I have an idea for that, so I'll be sure to show you guys and radio turns on, lights work, dash cluster turns on. Yeah, so everything seems pretty good. Take that shifter boot out, probably take the e-brake boot out, probably remove the whole center console and clean out all the ducting that runs back and the ducting from the vents as far as I can see. If it looks super caked up, I'll go farther than that, but I'd rather not pull the dash and actually get this thing fully ripped apart to clean up. So hopefully everything just looks pretty clean once I remove these vents and get, like, 8-10 inches in there. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated, and super happy about the progress. So we'll see what happens. All right, thanks guys. All right guys, this part here, took a little pick tool, popped it up and slid it back to remove, I guess reveal this Allen here. Try it on this one. Close my eyes with all the dust and crap. Oh, that does not want to come out easily like the other one. There we go. I guess just work around it. Oh, no, that's not plastic. That is dirt. Sweet. All right, let's get those out and move the seat forward, reconnect power to do that, and then take out the rear bolt. All right, keep you updated. All right, guys. Got the front seats out. Seat bottoms out. Still working on the back, but yeah, hopefully we can clean everything up. Seats came out decently easy, as I showed you in that clip. It's a little tricky, but no big deal. So I've been letting this paint soak in instant detailer and degreaser. So figured I'd give you guys a couple wipes. See what this looks like. Pretty bad. It's all wet, so not damaging anything. Well, she needed to clean, that's for sure. Just with that, little shine is coming back, actually. Not bad. Ooh. Mirror does not look good. But yeah, we'll give her an initial wipe down. Just with this stuff. Really haven't cleaned it at all, so it will get better, but see how it looks after this. I'll upload some photos, so thank you guys.